we've been having a lot of talks about sociology, and I've been hearing a lot of wonderful things about you. Actually, one of your colleagues here ginawang study ang Conyo Bicolano, and maraming salamat for the support. Yeah, that's why sabi nga namin, we're not a morning person talaga. You know, kapag umaga talaga, feeling namin there's a lot of taong lipots in our head. Super nagkukurulog talaga yung ulo namin and all. But in terms of expectation, kung napapanood niyo yung mga contents namin, kami sa Conyo Bicolano, we've been so in love with multimedia arts, especially sa film. Actually, way back nung college, we're very active when it comes to film fest, when it comes to film production. I've even directed a film. Sa gagawin ninyong film, I'm very excited because this will tackle a lot of issues sa lipunan natin, sa society natin, which is somehow very relevant now sa content creation, because sa content creation sa Conyo Bicolano, we would love to, tackle issues sa kultura naman namin na hindi pa napag-uusapan. So I'm very excited, like super nangingirha talaga akong mapanood na yung 6 films. I think ang dami kong tinaram-taram and all, but I'm just so excited.
Once again, a round of applause to our very own Conyo B. Thank you very much, Conyo B.
Ay, gagi, pare.